In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google account to Claude AI. By the end, you'll have your Google services linked so Claude can securely reference your files, emails, and calendar events when you ask for help. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Claude AI. Look for the official site and open it. Once you're on the sign-in page, choose Continue with Google. This uses your Google account to create or sign in to your Claude profile, keeping everything simple and consistent. Pick the Google account you actually want Claude to work with, whether that's a personal account or a work account, so your future requests pull from the right place. After you've signed in, you can begin connecting your Google data right from a chat. Open a new chat in Claude. In the message bar, click the plus icon, the attachment icon. You'll see options to bring content into the conversation. Select Add from Google Drive if you want to attach specific files immediately, or choose connectors to set up ongoing access. If you choose connectors, you'll see Google services like Drive, Gmail, or Calendar. Pick the one you want to link. Next, follow the OAuth prompt that appears. This is the standard Google sign-in window where you confirm your account and review the permissions. Grant Claude read-only access when prompted. This ensures Claude can search and retrieve content without changing or deleting anything. Take a moment to read the permission text so you're comfortable with what's shared. When you're done, the connection completes and Claude can reference your files, emails, or events to answer questions and summarize information you request. There's also a settings-based path if you prefer to manage integrations outside a chat. Click your profile initials in the bottom left corner and choose Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Connectors or Integrations tab. From there, find the Google connector you want, Drive, Gmail, or Calendar, and click Connect or Enable. You'll see the same OAuth prompt, and again, you'll grant read-only access. This route is handy if you like to set everything up once and then start chatting. That's it. Whether you connect from a chat using the attachment icon or from settings under connectors, you're enabling Claude to securely search and retrieve your Google content when you ask. Keep in mind, you're always in control. Choose the account that makes sense. Grant only the access you're comfortable with and use the connection to save time. Finding documents, surfacing emails, and pulling in your calendar details right when you need them.